Good afternoon, this is Evan with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital inspection for a homeowner out here in the Scripps Ranch area. We are on top of a concrete tile roof. This home was built in 1997. This is the original roof, which makes it about 30 years old. And so the main thing we're looking at today is going to be the condition of the underlayment. The underlayment is the most important part of a concrete tile roof because that is what keeps the home waterproof, and then the tile is designed to protect the underlayment. But I wanted to point out a few things here. Let's check it out here. So first thing you notice is the roofs that were built in the 90s here tend to have crowded valleys here. So you can see how these two roof planes are colliding into each other. That really develops debris buildup and moisture buildup. And what we prefer to see is those valleys expanded. And when we do roof replacement projects, we always design it for the metal valley has space to direct water flow off the roof and also debris to carry off the roof as well. So the valleys are crowded. You have mortar caps that are all original that are beginning to crack. This is an easy area where water can intrude into the home. And then underneath the ridge, you don't really have anything covering the wood except that original layer of felt paper, which is tearing at this point. It's completely torn through here. You can see the deterioration of the material here, and that's really exposing this roof to wind-driven rain. I'll show the other side of the ridge over here. But you can see in these areas as well, that material is really withering away and it's really old. You can see in this area as well, that wood is directly exposed. And so when wind-driven rain hits this home, it is susceptible at this point after 30 years for water to get in. You are having a small leak into this home here. And wanted to point out what we found. So these two tiles slipped where they were installed here, and so I was easily able to lift them and check out what we're looking at. And you can just see by the dormer vent, which is all original as well, just the old and brittle condition of this underlayment. As you can see, is completely shot out at this point, and that's why the water is able to get through here. And so because of the condition of the underlayment and the age of this roof, we do recommend a full lift and reset roof replacement project. The tile is in good shape. We don't really see any cracked or broken tiles at all. Should be able to reuse 90% of it. And so what we're going to be doing when we come out is we are going to lift up the tile, stack on the ridge, and tear this roof all the way down to the wood decking, where we will address any bad wood that has been compromised by wood rot, dry rot, or termites. Wood repair is always an unknown variable. We will not know the exact amount to be repaired and replaced until we get down to that base layer. After we do that, we'll be installing our titanium fire-resistant underlayment over the top, which is a huge upgrade from the felt paper that was used. It's much thicker, it's fire-resistant, it self-adheres to the wood decking. After we do that, we'll be installing a brand new 2-inch drip edge around the entire perimeter, as well as a bird stop. We'll be resealing all the penetrations that have all cracked at this point, installing new flashings as necessary. We're going to get rid and delete these original dormer vents because they have been proven to be problematic on roofs designed this way, and we'll be replacing them with low-profile modern O'Hagan ventilation. The look is a lot more aesthetically pleasing and will also allow better airflow in this home, allowing heat to escape during the summertime and moisture to escape during the winter time. And we'll probably be installing 6 of them, so 2 here, 2 here, and then a couple over here on the front of the roof here. And so when we finally, and then after all that is installed, we'll be reinstalling the tile over the top of the titanium FR. And when we fully replace this roof, it will be in fantastic shape for the foreseeable future. The underlayment has a 50-year warranty on it, and with Build Brothers, this roof will get a lifetime workmanship warranty. Thanks for watching. I'll get all this information out to the homeowner. Thank you.